let's learn this quick shortcut of changing colors. As we know, you can go to the swatch panel and then, or the color panel, or swatches there, and change any of these colors to this element here. Now, if you want to change between the stroke and the element, let's just make the stroke a bit thicker so you can see it. Then you can always choose that there, and now you can change it for there. Or you can go down there and also swap them over there. Or you can just press the shortcut X on the keyboard, and that will also just swap. As you can see, it swaps over there and down there. And then you can change. So now I'm currently on the stroke, and if I want to be on the fill, I can just press X and then you can change it. That just makes it slightly quicker. If you want to swap around the inside or the stroke and the fill, then you can press Shift X. That will change the fill with this stroke. And if you want to take off completely the top one, whichever one it may be, either the fill or the stroke, then you can press the divide with a slash sign, and I'll take off it completely. And if you put the stroke on top, then you can press the slash, and there'll be no fill and no stroke. To bring back the color to the default, press D. That'll bring it to the default of the black and white. So that was a quick and easy one. Thank you so much. If you gained anything from this video, please give a like and subscribe. And don't forget to leave any of your comments, ideas, tips, questions, or just anything you want to add in the comments below. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.